Good morning, viewers. This is Shudipto, this is Shivnath. Hi. Today it's 5th January 2021 and we are about to take a journey to Maushuri Island. So we came to know about that place. It's on a seaside and what we heard, it's a kind of peninsula where you stand and you look everywhere surrounding you. Everywhere it's safe. So today actually we plan to conduct this video as a kind of tour guidance so that whenever you watch this video you can have an idea that what is the route we are taking and the places we are going to stay and the quality of the places. So we'd like to cover all those things. So today right now we are at Boria station and about to catch the local train of Namkhana. It's about 3 hours journey and after Namkhana we have to catch an auto and we have to cross a ferry ghat and blah 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 whatever. So let's start. We'll continue traveling and right now we are waiting for the train. Thank you.
Happy journey, friends.
Hi. So our journey started and to Namkhana from Boria it takes only 25 bucks per person and our journey starts right now. We didn't get any shade yet but expecting later on we might find some seat over here. It's pretty crowded today morning, so happy journey again. Let's see. So hello again. We are on the middle of the road and right now the station is looking good. The train is holding over here for 10-15 minutes. So what I came to know that over the entire journey from Shialda to Namkhana, the inter timing is like just little more than 2.5 hours. And the entertainment is quite what we found actually. It's very crowded, but the crowd lasts till Jainapur station, Mukudapur station, and finally at Lokikantapur when we reached. It's very well enough, comfortable one. We got to sit with the fish and we are expecting to reach at Namkhana at 10 AM. So let's see. Thank you. So finally we reached at Namkhana and while we came out of the station there is an auto stand and from there you need to say we need to go to Hujjotir Ghat for Maushuri Island. So we get a Toto here. Anup, hi. So Anup is taking us. We have bargained with him for 250 bucks to reach over there. After that we'll cross the river, then we have to get another Toto. So now presently we are moving towards the new bridge recently constructed on the way to Bokhali and the
river of Hatania Doania.
Right. And while we'll cross the bridge, then it's almost 20 kilometers to reach that particular ferry ghat of Hujjotir Ghat. So I'll give you a scenery of over the bridge. You can have a look.
Wow!
So this is the place.
This is Hatania Doania river. Hello. Namkhana নেমে ওখান থেকে টোটোতে উঠেছি। এখন ওই হাতানিয়া দোয়ানিয়া ওই ব্রিজটা দেখতে পাচ্ছ?
ওই এই আপসা মতো একদম যেটা এখন সহ লাস্টে ওইটা হচ্ছে সাগর দ্বীপ আর এইটার নাম হচ্ছে চ্যাংড়া দ্বীপটা। মানে এই দ্বীপটা
ওই ট্রেনে
ওকে কোনটা দিচ্ছে
মানে ওই দ্বীপটা দেখা যাচ্ছে না, আস্তে আস্তে দেখা যাচ্ছে।
আচ্ছা আচ্ছা আচ্ছা
ওটা
that
সামনে
is
কিছু-
that, আচ্ছা আচ্ছা the island is actually very easy foggy one the far at the far that is Shagor Beach and
18-17
আরেকটা কোনটা বলি
ক্যামেরাটা
আচ্ছা some chord anyway so this side সমুদ্র কোন দিকে সমুদ্র ওই দিকে
নদীতে হতে হবে।
এই দিক দিয়েও যাওয়া যায়।
আচ্ছা so you can go to see it from both the sides
সেটা বেশি
আর
করে
এই ট্রেনগুলো সব মাছ দিয়ে
okay these are the trawler
মৌসুমি
Yeah.
ওই যে জাহাজগুলো দেখতে পাচ্ছ?
মৌসুমি নয় কিন্তু লাস্টেরটা ম নয় মৌসুমি
okay
আগে ওই ঘাটটা দিয়ে লাল পাড়া করা।
এখন আমরা হাতানিয়া দোয়ানিয়া নদীর উপর রয়েছি
Yes, I mean,
hello finally we reached at what we call from Shatmail Bajar at the ferry ghat and the other side actually you can see that is Moshuni Island that area and here is the ferry ghat and this is the boat
ঠিক আছে, চালু।
so you can come with your bike also so we are about to cross the river now let's have a look of the area and interesting thing I got to see some fish little fishes I mean they're moving here you can see it's a different kind of wow
ছোট দাও আর কি? আমার সাথে লাগছো? হ্যাঁ, হয়ে যাবে যাবা, শেষ লোকে।
so let's have a ride over the book see finally we reached at Chinook camp you see the space location so that is the main gate so from here we came down and this is the campus so let's see how the campus is the name is Chinook camp they have pretty big campus on left side they have kitchen and now here you can see the campus they have few cottages on the left end you can see those cottages are attached bathroom and the rent is per head 1400 including food and staying and here these camps are there so bigger sizes camps they are charges like 1200 as far as I know and here is a campus you can see so this is the entire campus they have they have common toilet for camp people those people who are staying in camp so what we have decided to stay in a smaller camp but facing towards the sea these are the camps in smaller sizes but pretty good one for individual and here you can get down to the seaside cools off in the beach, and on the row you can go ahead, and on the right hand side you really will get different camps from different companies. In far you can see a shadow of a island. Most probably that is called Jambudip. So later on I'll show you how the rest of the places are looking like. Very good evening everyone. So we are at Jhinu camp tonight, and at the evening we can see the excellent ambience mesmerizing, and here you can see the bonfire has been started. So if you want, you can try out with your barbecued chicken. So the staff are very humble and they can arrange all the necessary things, and you can watch over here. So beautiful ambience over here in the evening time. This is the campus we showed you today morning, and now you can have a look over this ambience. The entire campus is lit up. It looks fabulous. We can have a good time over here. Thank you.